Welcome back to the Crazy Ass Redneck channel. Today we're doing a little bit of a cold start. This used to be the lawnmower I drove everywhere, but if you look under here, you see the transaxle chain. Master link broke and it's kind of fucked up and keeps popping out. So quit driving it. Then I got the other one running and swapped out some tires. Front tires off this went onto a trailer. So this thing no longer really drives. But the engine still runs as far as I'm aware, but we are going to do a cold start because I haven't started in a couple months. So, handing you off to my cameraman right here. And first we gotta fill it up. To help it start, we're gonna open up the air cleaner, pour some fuel into the carburetor because this thing sucked on cold starts even when it was still running, well, still driving, whatever. Just a little bit. Alright, so let's turn our fuel valve on, close this up, set this up a little bit higher because this is only a gravity feed. Your cameraman, hold that. And here we go, after I move this push cart.
It's not bolted down, you dingus.
Fail. Epic fail. There we go. This is not a great idea. Actually, here's an idea. The cameraman can hold on to this. We'll move this. It's a little bit more level ground. Oh well, fuck it. It's good. This thing's front heavy, by the way. Got something there. You gonna run or not? Make up your mind. Why is my governor stuck now? See why I don't fuck with this thing? It's a piece of crap. There we go. It's a little Tecumseh, and I'm a Briggs & Stratton fan because they actually fucking work. Sucks. It died out because it didn't have fuel. It was tipped up that way. Yeah, thought y'all might want to see a cold start and whatnot. So that'll do it for me today. I'll see y'all later.